Hello guys. Good morning. We're about to leave. Time check, it's 7:35, 7:40 a.m.
Where?
Feb 2, 2022.
Where? Where did you
You know what to do.
That's the clock.
You know what to do.
Okay.
Where do you think I'm looking at? The sun? Or the sky?
Maybe the sun?
Let's go.
Oh, let's go.
Oh, let's go. Okay, yes sir. We're going.
Agirame.
Panabo mi. Panabo.
Panabo. Bye.
Oops. Okay. Don't worry, there's a lot of backups.
You say hi. You say good morning, guys. We're going on a...
Oops.
Wait, okay to say? Yes.
Yes.
That's you. It's a video, man ba?
It's 7. Oh no,
it's
it's 8:40. 8:40 in the morning, February 2, 2022. It's McDonald's Panabo.
Look behind.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Looks like one person. Looks like one person. Looks like one customer ubos it.
Yeah, one customer ubos it. Okay lang.
I'm wobbling.
Jax. Okay. Breakfast. Breakfast. Breakfast.
But you can poop. Yeah, there's no toilet here.
Yes, we have no toilet here.
Let's go. Guys, we're here. Nabodol ni Karon.
Thank you guys sa naghatag sa sing-sing.
Oh my God, we're so happy. Ini, trabahoan kay trabaho. Ano ni mo kay? Batayan ni mo kung ano. Oh, kuan. A gift from my self.
Dali na tao.
Natanaw kong ring.
Ay, kagwapo po to sa akong ring na
Ang Fendi sa Jud. Ang Fendi sa Jud.
Jud. Ang isa, ang gwapo Jud ang katungkuan, katong pinakamahal ng tindahan.
Goni.
Ang bracelet.
Hala,
Ang bracelet.
I like
Ano
it.
yung hardware.
Yes, natuma na kita
Hardware
kong
sa
hardware.
Jud. And this one.
We're in a tunnel, no? It's just like an underpass something. It's like that. I'll show you something, Jax. We got a Valentine's gift.
Yeah.
This is our
Let
Valentine's gift to
Yeah.
ourselves.
Oh my God, I'm so happy.
What is it? What
Sama ni Ani diri na pwede ta mo tuyok. Yeah. Dili na taagi kay mo anak ta to dito.
Give it to me. Okay, that one.
Hala, I'm so happy, Jude. Thank you, Yins.
Thank you, Clarence.
Thank you, Malo.
Thank you, Malu.
Thank you, Clarence.
So, masyakira si Popol.
May mga bago.
Yeah, pero ano ta?
Ay, you feel better now, dude. I feel better also.
When is gonna be our next trip?
Adlok ni pagkita magkuya og trip kay gastos.